If you got any old 33s, even older style with the same lid, just doesn't have this, you know, the older ones. This is the junk they have in them. These plastic bushings. So what you do is you replace that one. The only bearing in here is one in here. And you also have one right behind the nose cone. Goes in here, which is plastic as well. If you get these bearings, they are 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch by 3/16, and you can make this a 1-ball bearing into a 4-ball bearing, and it's hard to spin it one-handed, but it is nice.